Hey guys, and whoops, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay green screen on a CapCut PC. So it's pretty simple. I'm just going to quickly go to library and I'm just going to type in the word green screen here, and I will also select the videos for the type. I'm also then just going to select a green screen that I want to add to my video. I want to add this one because it's pretty cute. And then you can also add more than one, by the way. So just select the green screen, go to cutout, and then select chroma key, select color picker, and you're just going to adjust the strength of the green screen, and you're going to do that to this as well. And then here I'm just going to add like a background to it, like a cute background. Hopefully they have something like adorable. What are these, just dolls? Yeah, I guess, and that's pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!